Or socialize and be social.
Social or family?
Social.
Social networking or social not working?
Social services.
Social standing.
Social lubricant.
Social club.
Social visit.
Social clubs.
Social studies.
Yeah, please just...
Society.
Society.
Art.
Society. Secret society. Secret society.
Society doesn't care. Society sucks.
Oh, it's society.
It's my second.
Society page stuff. Society page stuffy.
Societal trends.
Many societal institutions.
Societal expectations.
It's a societal concern.
Societal level, I mean.
Societal costs, health costs.
What about societal structure?
About successful societal structure.
Unencumbered by societal norms.
She's internalized the societal messaging.
Antisocial?
Yeah.
Antisocial personalities.
Or antisocial?
Antisocial extrovert.
Very antisocial, Peter. Extremely antisocial behavior.
Antisocial personality disorder.
It's the antisocial network.
Subject is violently antisocial.
Oh, talk about antisocial.
Socialist.
Socialist.
The socialist revolution. A socialist Africa.
A French socialist? No!
A socialist hellscape.
Towards some socialist regime, a socialist dunghole.
Okay, cool.
Technically social.
A little bit socialist.
Sociable. Sociable.
Slum sociable.
Maurice n'est pas très sociable.
And a sociable professor.
He was always being very sociable.
Have to be sociable.
Marriage makes men less sociable.
You should be more sociable, mate.
Okay, look, I'll be more sociable.
Associate. Associate.
Associate.
Associate.
An associate of an associate.
Who's this associate?
Compadre.
An associate.
What associate?
An associate,
Sign.
Sign.
Sign. Sign. Sign.
Sign.
Sign.
Signature?
Signature?
Signature.
That's yes. Signature.
Signature shoe. Signature line.
A signature's a... It's her signature dish.
Oh, really, signature?
Look at the signature.
The signature.
Yeah. It's
Same signature.
Operation signature.
Look who's the signatory.
Not on the signatory card.
Ira was signatory to all these accounts?
Signatory on most of my accounts.
Leonard is the signatory to the roommate agreement.
However, if you'll accept my signatory voucher, I should...
I need to understand why becoming a Republic signatory is valuable.
Meaning I would need to become a signatory in Bird Enterprises.
Clark, you are listed as a signatory on the account.
No. What? No. Signal! There you go, boys. Start leaving.
Could be.
Signal! Signal, please!
Signal, what signal?
Signify by saying... Something to signify,
Signify by beeping twice.
These rings signify that...
It does not signify...
Don't signify as much.
It does not signify.
Signifying nothing.
Signifying nothing!
Signify nothing.
Insignia.
No insignia anymore.
Yes, insignia.
Insignia. Esoteric ritual.
It's my insignia.
Graduation ring, Yale insignia.
There is an insignia. He's removing my insignia!
Prince of Wales insignia.
She's wearing Matthew's insignia.
You consign a work direct...
And consign every soul upon it.
Consigned to flames of war.
The clues I have herein consigned.
Who once consigned that fallen tyrant to the...
Gasoline's consigned to M. Dubois. What?
He will be consigned to history.
You can either be responsible for consigning...
Reassign me.
Reassign him.
I'll reassign it.
Reassigned?
Wait, reassigned. I've been reassigned.
Get him reassigned.
You've been reassigned. You're being reassigned.
I've been reassigned.
Resign.
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 Resign, resign, resign.
Design.
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 Design, design, design.
Wardrobe design.
Graphic design.
Designers, we've scored your designs. Designers, we've scored your designs.
Yeah, designer. Actually,
Designer poisons need designer antidotes. Designer poisons need designer antidotes.
Design. Design.
Designers, we've scored your designs. Designers, we've scored your designs.
Redesign? Redesign poise.
In redesign.
We can redesign it.
And for this amazing redesign.
To redesign our own habitat.
You want to redesign a urinal?
Very fine. So redesign.
redesign my face.
Richard, redesign is a death sentence.
Lucille!
Oh, seal it now.
SEAL Team 6, seal the hole.
Seal it up, Gene! Seal it!
Your seal.
In seals.
And seals.
Symbol upon symbol.
Phallic symbol, phallic symbol.
Your symbol?
A symbol.
That's symbol.
The symbol!
Wheat symbol.
Same symbol.
A symbol.
Symbols.
The last vestige of the human population.
The only vestige of my old self.
By the last vestige of the outside world.
Hard. The last vestige of hope in the universe.
Vestige of the Bluth's former wealth.
Who wanted every last vestige of corruption crushed.
Still has a vestige of humanity in him.
The whole idea of marriage is a useless.
Vestiges.
Yeah. Vestiges. Vestiges of Joel?
Investigate.
Investigate!
Investigate immediately.
Investigate number 28, immediately. Let's investigate.
To investigate.
We're still investigating.
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 Investigating. Worth investigating.
Investigation.
Investigation.
Your investigation? What about our investigation?
Associate investigator at Alias Investigations.
Phillips Investigations.
Alias Investigations.
Brand.
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 And recognition. Brand recognition.
Camille Brand.
Camille Brand.
Brandy?
Brandy.
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 Brandy. My Brandy?
Brandy. Brandy is jive.